Hello everyone. In this video, we'll go through a step-by-step process using Tableau to create a date filter. Let's get started. Say, you have created a view that shows top 10 customers for various regions. Now, create a discrete date path filter in the view to see how these customers ranked across few years. Step 1. Open the starter file in Tableau. Step 2. Create a filter for order date to show discrete dates. Drag order date to the filters shelf. In the filter field dialog box, select the discrete years part and then click Next. Select all years from the list, and then click OK. Step 3. Show the date filter in the view. Right-click the order date filter in the view, and then click Show Filter. Next step, change the title of the order date filter. Display the drop-down menu for the order date filter and select Edit Title. In the Edit Title dialog box, type Customers by Year. And click OK. Feel free to explore further and create insightful visualizations with your updated data. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Happy analyzing!